megalayapost.news.
Menteri ke Sarkar Padang badai peja katana Labor and Employment bat kumjuru katana Youth Affairs and Sports Dr. Mansung Mandavia menta kasngi ublai ulawan banyu kejat hari boy district na kementaban budien halor kijing pentri kam yaki kampen roy hagani district kabalasha ajit kum kawai nak aspirational district hapo kari hagani kijing banyu kejan uniu menteri kena ke Sarkar Padang yakari boy district lapenlong yak kijing kendu ulang bat ki ofisa katana Sarkar baper nari boy ha conference hall jong ke district rural development agency hakabana kalyang deputy commissioner kari boy wabishik saini ulai kijing batai presentation halor kijing pentri kami ki scheme penroy baper kiba kentup ya ketenat pule puti karep karyang ka koit ka kya bat kiwei
community you come from various departments from the central government, especially on the indicators like health, education, agriculture, etc. Now, my point is that when we talk about skill, you are also looking at the labor. In Rihoi district, we have only one ITI. And this ITI also now is still in rented house with only 3 to 4 trade. And the state government who started with the support of the central government to build a new ITI. It gets stuck for quite a few years now. And my request to you is that with your kind intervention, when we talk about skill, so that this ITI it will have its permanent campus as well as to increase the trade, not only 2 to 3, but at least 5 to 6 trades, so that we can facilitate youth who will have various skill to ensure that they will have placement within the state and outside also. Number 2, sir, when you talk about Gujarat model, we really appreciate the initiative taken by Honorable Prime Minister when he was the then CM of Gujarat. As you have told, you have been there by yourself to facilitate, to see schools, to spend 2 to 3 days and staying there. But here, when we talk about pineapple and when we talk about poultry, the initiative that you have suggested that you will intervene by yourself or you were sending those cooperative societies or those NGOs or any intervention from the central government, kindly do so, because we really need some support with regard to handhold our farmer and to ensure that the pineapple farmer, they will have a proper market as well as the intervention in various fields to ensure about cold storage and other issues also that we have. Another thing, sir, Rihoi district being an aspirational district, as per the guidelines and parameters with the Ministry of Health, you are the ministry of before. So I have seen in other states also that aspirational district, they have mandatory that they should have one medical college. Even though in our district we don't have. Or civil hospital here, we have less bed, we have only 100 bedded civil hospital. Even though the criteria said it should be more than 200 and 250 beds should be there in every district hospital. So in this regard also, if there is any intervention, keeping in mind that Rihoi district in the aspirational district, a civil hospital in Okpo, so that there will be a support from the central government and the ministry to ensure the increase of beds so that it will be qualified, so that we can have a government-owned medical college. Now we have a private medical college in USTM in Killing within the district itself. But we want for the benefit of the citizen at large, as well as to facilitate employment, academic admission for the student of our district. This also is the point that we can intervene and talk to the ministry with regard to Rihoi district. So because you have been holding health portfolio in the past, government also you know very well about this also. My last point is that with regard to the government school, it is the fact, as has been stated by the SDSEO, that the condition of the government school, we are in the initial stage of improving infrastructure as well as to be given chances to qualified teacher through MTET, CTET. They have to pass so that we can have a qualified teacher in the school. But having said that, more intervention from central government, because sir, in Rihoi district, being aspirational district, here we have only government secondary school, actually only 1 or 2, sir. 2. Secondary government owned, we have only 2, sir. The rest are all private. This is one issue. And then when we come to upper primary also, I think only 2 or 3, how many government? 4. UP. We have only 4 government. So, as we have said, LP section we have plenty, almost every villages. But to have an intervention on this also, more support we need, even though the state government is doing the level best. But more intervention has to be given, as well as suggestion to ensure that as the government, the state government also, we have to ensure that smooth functioning of this body. So this is my few points, sir, to you, as you have been here, visiting aspirational district, and we had this privilege and opportunity to raise before you. Other issues also are there, but keeping in mind that you are here with a lot of burden, we understand yesterday you and Shillong inaugurated the integrated sports complex in Shillong, as well as state is hosting the national games in 2027. Can reach expenditure from central government and state government also. Even though I want to talk something about sports infrastructure in the Rimoy district, but keeping in mind that the path ahead is the national game. And before I conclude, if you can consider at least 1-2 events that Rimoy district also could host, it is a privilege for us also before the national game 2027.
Kani gede gejing penbet ke Bakarpang nagaliang jong ka Sorkar Pedeng ha ka bagi jupha ya ki menteri Sorkar nagbanta ban wan jongo ban jurip ban review ya ki aspirational district Tegri Boy district kadi gawi na ki aspirational district din tagadao u menteri jong Sorkar Pedeng i Shri Mansuk Mandavia bude u minister bude pet ya ka Youth Affairs and Sports bat ka Labor jong ka Sorkar Pedeng ila sim ya banta ban review ban page ya ka jingyat bet jong ki kam po ka district kiba kentup nadu ka tenat jong ka pulik putih education nang ta ka telat jong ka health ko ka khya nang ta ka agriculture nang ta ka CNRD bat ki bade bat ki umbam umdi nang ta ki PMGSY ude ki surok bat kiwi di kemat ilayo ban review bat bang ilayo ban yathir ya than bhai kimat ki babun kumno ban pentikna ba ka pisa ka balaai da ka Sorkar Bedeng na ka Sorkar Bedeng sa ka Sorkar jela gide ban pentri kam hok yaki bat ula banjur menteri ru ha gi jinga keren na ka menta ban pentikna bagi jinga rap ki bade ban poi sa gi nong song snong kam tam sa gi pajba kala bande ka PM Kisan kala bande ka jinga rap long bang niti ayok bingiyo ban penbahai ke hospital ye ke labor room lane ban dikenai ke additional classroom hagi school kini baru gede ban trikam nang bata gejing mentoi jong upat ba tikini gede ki mat lengkot ki ba ngilayo ban ya keren mene ban nagaliang jong akum u local MLA ngapan pau gejing sungu ya u menteri bala simkhia ban wan dalade nagamenta ban pej ban khmi ye ki jing don kam po ka district ke jungi
Meghalaya Post.news